We'll guide you through how to change your Gmail signature using the latest methods and interface. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com, then log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner and click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From the drop-down, select See All Settings to access the full settings menu. Now, you'll want to click the General tab if it's not already selected. Scroll down the page until you see the Signature section. Here, you will see any existing signatures you have set up. To create a new one, click on Create New. You'll be prompted to name your signature, which is particularly useful if you manage multiple signatures. Enter a name and click Create. Next, you'll see a text box where you can type your signature. Customize it to your liking, using text, links, and even images if needed. You have formatting options like bold, italics, and font colors to make your signature stand out. Once you're satisfied with your new signature, make sure to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This is crucial because if you don't save, all your hard work will be lost. After saving, your new signature will automatically be attached to any emails you send. If you want to switch between multiple signatures while composing an email, you can do so by clicking the pen icon at the bottom of the Compose window and selecting from your saved signatures. And there you have it. You're all set with a new Gmail signature. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.